Okay, traders, for those of you looking to trade manually to grow your account or pass a prop firm challenge, this is where it's at, right here. This is a Forex Trade Ideas channel down here, and every day I'm posting opportunities that are best taken into the London Open. This was an Aussie CAD opportunity, and this one is an Aussie Yen opportunity. And the instructions are really simple. Look for the candles to retrace and then set a green alert for an entry long. That's it. It's exactly the same with the Aussie Yen. Look for the candles to retrace. So we're looking for the candles to turn red, then green. That's it. It's as simple as that. And here are the results. The Aussie CAD. Okay, look for the candles to retrace, to turn red. And then we take the trade on the green signal. We just set that green signal in TradingView and we wait for it. Okay, the green signal is this one here. In fact, both of these, where this green shaded zone kicks in. We just take that trade and then we've got signals to take profit or exit here. You can follow that, or you can set your target to these lines up here. This is a weekly orange and daily yellow. It touched it, the daily. That's as simple as that, guys. This is handed to you on a platter. We're having a really, really good result with these trade ideas, and it's just simple. Follow the instructions. It's just like paint by numbers, guys, seriously. All right, so here's the Aussie Yen, and what we're doing is we're looking for this trend momentum sink. Okay, have a look at down in here, there, right there, when this green zone kicks in. That's all we're waiting for. So when this turns red, you just set an alert. You come into the trend momentum sink. See that up triangle there? After the candles turn red, then green. You come into this, you click the three dots, you add the alert, any function, make it notify you, okay, play a sound in your phone app, whatever, and hit create. That's it. That will go off over here. You click on it, you come in, and you just take that trade. Hands down, this is absolutely the best system you'll find anywhere. Very clear instructions. Aussie Yen, and the other one was the Aussie CAD. So that was yesterday. That was a really nice outcome. You know, and you could stay in this until this green turns red if you like, and exit up there. But, you know, you've got levels. You set the entry alert, and then as soon as you enter this trade, you come in and you set this alert here to tell you when to take profit. Okay, so you can see there's three dots. I'll just show you that. Extreme confluence. Okay, there's the three dots, on and off and back on. Okay, so this is your exit. You just click the three dots and set a different sound for an exit. So I've got a droplet for an entry, and then you can just come down and click flickering or one of these others for an exit. Simple as that, guys. Just to paint by numbers, seriously. Okay, so look, that's the opportunity you have. These are going into this channel down in here under Daily Mentorship. Now, the Mentorship is a full tutorial on how to use this system. Okay, so that's suited to people wanting to manually trade and trade a prop firm account, trade your own account. Yeah, that's the opportunity. These two channels down in here. All right, so that's the opportunity, guys. Snap this up. This is ridiculous value at the moment while we're still early in the launch of this system, this scalping strategy. So I'm making this available for very limited time. There's a 14-day trial. Just try it and see how this can change your life. Okay, click on the WAP link down below. That will give you immediate access to everything. Go back into WAP and you'll be able to click on the Telegram, Discord, and it'll give you immediate access to the indicators. Once you click that in TradingView in WAP, go into TradingView and you'll have everything there. So you can trade this on a demo account. I use a Pepperstone C-Trader account, and I've got videos on this. You can then set up C-Trader as the master account in a trade copy program called Duplikium, and then you can set up your prop firm accounts, your other accounts in there as slave accounts and copy over to multiple accounts. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Wow. It's available, guys. It's free trial. nothing to lose. And then it's only $29.95 after that per month. It's the new indicator and strategy launch, okay, discount for now. So I would lock that in before that goes up and make a difference. It's handed to you on a platter, guys, seriously. Okay, look, there's the idea, there's the instructions, there's the outcome. Alrighty, with that, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.